Okay, all are ready? Okay, get ready. All of you take out your textbook, notebook, page number 58. See that page, knowledge nugget. Where in this lesson, what we have learned. See that what we have learned in this lesson. Do you know what is that? This knowledge nugget. When two rays meet a point, they form an angle. In this lesson, what we have discussed, that only. Okay, an angle is forming. About how many types of angles, what are its name, the different types of angles, and see that different types of angles: right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, and reflex angle. Okay, do you know that? Okay, now see, when two lines run at an equal distance from each other, once again we are saying, okay, they are called lines. These lines never meet each other at any point. First point. Huh? Then when two lines cross each other at a point, they are called intersecting point. Where they meet is known as point of intersection. That point is known as point of intersection. Next point, when the angle between two intersecting lines forms a right angle. And then these are perpendicular lines. And then a cube can, last class we have discussed, okay, a cube can have 11 different nets with 6 equal square faces. This much only in this lesson we have to learn. Already we are discussed. And then next worksheet. Today we are discussing that worksheet, page number 58. Can you hear, Devu? Yes, okay. See that. See, one diagram has given. Identify the acute and obtuse angles in the following figure. Worksheet ആണ്. One by one we have to solve. First diagram, identify the acute and obtuse angles. See the diagram. See how many angles are there? Totally 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 angles are there. Okay. Identify the acute angle. First of all, acute angle. Rishikesh, not ready. Rishikesh. Okay. What are the acute angle? Mark it there. Angle CAD with pencil. Mark it there. Angle CAD, angle CAE, and angle DAE. Okay. This is acute angle. What are the acute angle? Acute angle means less than 90 degree. What are angle CAD? Angle എഴുതുന്ന നമുക്കറിയാലോ, ആ ഒരു സിമ്പിൾ കൊടുത്തിട്ട് എഴുതണം. Angle CAD, then angle CAE, and angle DAE. These are acute angles. Next, one more question is there. Obtuse angles. What is obtuse angle? More than 90 degree. That also we know. Okay. Next, what are obtuse angle? Angle BAD. Mark it there. Devu, mark it. Mark it. Angle BAD. Angle BAE. രണ്ട് ആംഗിൾ ആവുള്ളൂ. ആംഗിൾ BAD and angle BAE. Okay. വേണമെങ്കിൽ BAC എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ റൈറ്റ് ആംഗിൾ ആയിരിക്കാം. But this is here not mentioned. Okay. Here not mentioned. That's why we are not saying. Okay. Next question. Page number. Next page. 59. 59. See that. Look at the figure and fill in the blanks. See that near one diagram has given. Look at the figure and fill in the blanks. എന്താ ചോദിച്ചേക്കുന്നത്? Angle PUT. Angle PUT is an dash. Angle PUT. Have you got angle PUT? Yes. Here they are asking A, acute angle, B, right angle, and C, obtuse angle. Which is the angle? That one. First angle PUT is an acute angle. Pick it, that acute angle. Otherwise you can write it there. Okay. Right there. Acute angle. Devu, what happened? Written. Okay. First angle PUT is an acute angle. PUT where? See the figure PUT. Yes, it is an acute angle. Okay. Next question. Shall I? Okay. Angle QVT. Angle QVT. QVT. It is an obtuse angle. QVT. It is an obtuse angle. And mark it there angle. And then write there. It is an obtuse angle. Obtuse angles. Next, one more. Angle QVT. Every angle, angle QVT. Angle QVT is an, that is also acute angle. Angle QVT is an acute angle. All are writing? Okay. First, acute obtuse angles we mentioned there. Acute angle, obtuse angle. First one A is acute angle, B is obtuse angle, and again C is an obtuse angle. Okay. Next. Ready? Next, look at the figure. Only Devu is here. Look at the figure. Okay, Devika, are you doing? Yes. Okay. Look at the figure. When the names of any 5 pairs of parallel, intersecting and perpendicular line segments. See that one small hut, a small house picture is there. Different lines are there, line segments are there, parallels are there, intersecting are there, perpendicular lines are there. You can choose any 5. Okay, look at the figure, write the names of any 5 pairs of parallel, intersecting and perpendicular line. Parallel means what? These lines are never ending. And intersecting and 2 lines are joining at a point. And then perpendicular means one line that perpendicular line. So 3 types of line segments also we are learned. First question number A and the parallel line segment. You can choose any 5. Sarah, you didn't get page number 58. Okay. Parallel line segment. This is but you can choose another also. Okay. Many are there. GF parallel ST. GF parallel ST. First I am telling parallel lines. Okay. First I am telling parallel lines. Mentioned there. GF parallel ST. Parallel and we symbol lines. Okay. GF is parallel to ST and ST is parallel to RE. Third one, LM is parallel to AB. Next, MD is parallel to BC. Symbol അറിയാമല്ലോ ഇങ്ങനെ രണ്ട് വര കൊടുക്കുന്നു അതിനെ നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ചു കാണുമല്ലേ MD is parallel to BC. Next, VW is parallel to ED. ഈ parallel ഈ സിമ്പലിനെ നമ്മൾ വായിക്കുന്നത് ഈസ് ടു എന്നാണ്. ഓക്കെ, എളുപ്പത്തിന് വേണ്ടി ആ സിമ്പൽ തരുന്നത് അല്ലേ. Once again I am saying, ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞു many parallel lines are there. Just I am saying 5 lines only. You can write another also. Okay. Once again I am saying GF parallel to ST, ST parallel to RE, LM parallel to AB, and MD parallel to is parallel to BC, and VW is parallel to intersecting line segments. Intersecting, കൂട്ടിമുട്ടുന്ന ലൈൻസിനെ കുറിച്ചാണ് ചോദിക്കുന്നത്. എന്തൊക്കെയാണ്? That also you can choose any. Here any 5 they need. Okay, intersecting UV and ST. First one I am saying UV and ST. Intersecting lines are UV and ST. In next line VW and XY. Look at the figure. Then you can choose easily. You can find out easily. VW and XY. Third one PO and QN. PO and QN. HP and AN. ഇനി ഏതാണ്? ഏതെങ്കിലും നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടമുള്ള ഒരെണ്ണം എഴുതാം. മിസ് ഇപ്പൊ 4 എണ്ണം പറഞ്ഞത് ഇപ്പൊ മനസ്സിലായില്ലേ? ഇനി ഒരെണ്ണം ട്രൈ ചെയ്ത് എഴുതിക്കേ. ഇന്റർസെക്ടിങ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ 2 ലൈൻസുകൾ കൂട്ടിമുട്ടുന്ന ഒരു പോയിന്റ് കാണും. ഇനി അടുത്തത് പെർപെൻഡിക്കുലർ. പെർപെൻഡിക്കുലറും അതുപോലെ തന്നെ. അതിന് ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ഓൾസോ സിമ്പിൾ. പെർപെൻഡിക്കുലർ ലൈൻ സെഗ്മെന്റ്സ്. അത് ഏതാണ്? നോക്കിക്കേ. ദാറ്റ് ഓൾസോ യു ക്യാൻ ചൂസ് എനി. PN perpendicular to PN is perpendicular to LM. പെർപെൻഡിക്കുലർ എന്ന് നമ്മളല്ലേ ഒരു എൽ ഷേപ്പ് പോലെ ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു വര ഇട്ടിട്ട് അത് ഇങ്ങനെയും കൂടെ കൊടുക്കുന്നത്. അതാണ് PN is perpendicular to LN. QO അതായത് T തിരിച്ചിട്ടുന്നത് അത് തന്നെയാണ് പെർപെൻഡിക്കുലർ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഇല്ലേ? PN is perpendicular to LM. Next QO is perpendicular to LM. ആദ്യമേ പറഞ്ഞു നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ചൂസ് ചെയ്യാൻ ഏത് വേണം. ജസ്റ്റ് ഒന്ന് പറയുന്നതേ ഉള്ളൂ. ഓക്കെ, ദിസ് ഇസ് എ വർക്ക്ഷീറ്റ്. യു ക്യാൻ ഡു. QO is perpendicular to LM. Next VW is perpendicular to MD. XY is perpendicular to ED. FY is perpendicular to XY. Any. നമ്മളിപ്പോ acute angle പഠിച്ചു, obtuse angle പഠിച്ചു, right angle, straight angle, reflect angle എല്ലാം പഠിച്ചു. Then line segments, different line segments are there. Parallel line segment, intersecting line segment, and perpendicular line segment. And what are its symbols? That also. Next question. See that. Write the measure of the angles in the space provided. Write the measure of the angle. Write the measure of the angles in the space provided. നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ചു how to make an angle, how to measure an angle, isn't it? See, in first one angle is there that you have to measure with your protractor. Okay, അതില് maybe it will be അതിൽ കാണുന്നുണ്ടല്ലോ പ്രൊട്രാക്ടറിന്റെ ആവശ്യമില്ല. Scales are there. It is already shown. What is that? 70 degree first one. അല്ലേ? First one എത്രയാണ്? 70 degree. Left side ഇന്നല്ലേ? That red lines that is coming in left side. That degree is shown as 70 degree. അവിടെ എഴുതിക്കേ 70 degree. ഫസ്റ്റ് പിക്ചർ അല്ലേ? നിങ്ങൾ തന്നെ മെഷർ ചെയ്യാവുന്നതേ ഉള്ളൂ. ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ഓൾറെഡി. നെക്സ്റ്റ് ബി എന്താണ്? വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദ മെഷർമെന്റ് ഓഫ് ദാറ്റ് ആംഗിൾ? വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദ മെഷർമെന്റ്? 90ക്ക് പുറകിലായിട്ടും അതും ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ഓൾസോ ഇൻ ലെഫ്റ്റ് സൈഡ്. ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് വേറെ സ്കെയിലാണ് നിൽക്കുന്നത് 85 അല്ലേ? ബിറ്റ്വീൻ 80 ആൻഡ് 90. സോ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് 85 degree. Degree symbol we know that. Put 85 degree. 85 degree. In third, sorry, C, it is an obtuse angle. അല്ലേ? എത്രയാ വന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്? 135 degree. First 70 degree, second picture 85 degree, and third one C is 135 degree. Okay, and then page. Next page take. This is a fun time. That like an activity you can do with the help of your parents. Making different shapes using straws straw. Do you know straw? Straw ഉപയോഗിച്ച് you can make different shapes. See, they are saying, we know that many shapes are there. What are they? Triangle, square, cube, then rectangle, then cylinder, cone, circle. Many shapes are there, isn't it? So here, like an activity you have to do, making different shapes using straws. First one, triangle. See that figure? Take 2 straws of any color. Okay. Then joining the straws by intersecting one straw into the other. Then connect the open ends of 2 straws. Then we will get triangle. Okay. And the points they are given, and you have to read this and try this. Then bend the joint straws at 2 points in such a way that a triangle formed. And 4 steps are there. Next one, square. Take 2 straws, join the straws by inserting one straw into the other. One straw insert cheyana. Then connect the open ends of the straw. Bend the joint straws in such a way that a square is formed. Second one, second figure, square. That is also 2 different colors are taken, and then you have to join it and bend it. Next, cube. Make 6 squares using straws of different colors. It will be colorful. Join the squares using a tape in such a way that cube is formed. See that figure. Try to make other different shapes using the straws. These are there here mentioned, and you can make another. So many shapes are there that you can make it. Okay. So, our this third chapter is finished.